Look at this blissful girl. And there's another girl. Oh, look at that. Hi, sweetie. Are you getting your love, your pets, huh? Yeah. Oh, isn't that nice? A little parrot, Bliss. How do I encourage my parrots to be so loving? I just try to take care of them. Huh, sweetie? Right? I give them a parrot. I give them healthy food and lots of love and patience. Nibbling understanding, or vampire rights. In other words, they nibble. Sometimes it hurts because I'm not a coconut. But I'm patient. Right, sweetie? Yes, you hear a squirrel? You hear a squirrel, huh? Is that squirrel making noise? Nope. Oh, was that too hard? Oh, let go. Yes, let go of my phone. Let go. Thank you. She's got some pin feathers. Let's see if we can see them. Right there. You see that? Those are feathers that are just coming in because about once a year she'll lose her feathers. There's a couple more right there. And don't eat my skirt. Thank you anyway. Please don't eat it. No. Nuts are for eating, not clothes. Those feathers are new feathers growing out. Look at those pretty feathers on her eyes, or around her eyes. Hi. So that she molts, she loses the old ones, and the new ones come in. Okay, that's an extreme close-up. That's too close. That's too close. Stop eating the camera! My poor phone case. It's been vampired as well. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you, don't eat my hand. There's my cape trying to get attention, but she can't come near me because somebody says, no, I'm a hog, and I'm going to hog all of the love and the clothes. No, don't break my skirt, please. Thank you. Lots of patience, lots of training, as in, let's get pets. Let's get pets, not clothes eating. Yes, look, doesn't it feel good to get pets? Corrections. Attention diversion. Huh, sweetie? All right, you blissful monster. By the way, this is Kailani, and she is a Harlequin Macaw. Aren't you? She's a hybrid. Aren't you, sweetie? You beautiful thing. You beautiful thing. And there's my parrot, Bliss. Oh, until the next clothes-eating blissful video.